What the hell? Why is she so aesthetic? Let me do like a round and round. Period. What are your thoughts on DC? I'm gonna interview too.
My thoughts on DC. My thoughts on DC are turn up. Fun they look.
Look how they're too cool for us. What are your thoughts on DC?
Stop copying me.
No, I literally said that first. I don't know what you're talking about. What are your thoughts on DC? What's your thoughts on DC? You don't want to say anything?
DC is good, and
good.
I approve. This is my idea.
This is not your idea. Never mind.
Guys, let's go back for a second.
Thoughts on DC. There you have it.
What y'all know about him? What you know about him?
Yeah, click करो.
10 seconds टच कर दो.
Yeah, it's 10 seconds.
बस दे दो. Don't be a hater. Be a lover. No, I'm keeping it now. You gave it to me.
Touchy, you don't keep
Wait, what is your shirt? Show us your shirt. Let me see it. What is it? Look at his shirt.
Oh my god, we should film. So cute.
Can I start?
Okay. Oh, तभी आप सबको मार रखा है.
There are 3 words.
Hey guys! We're at the... Show that.
Ferris wheel.
This thing. Yeah. Nice. Now show the view. Wow. आजो. Posters. Everyone say hi, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi!
Not hello. Hi.
Hi!
Don't subscribe or like.
We kind of stopped in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, because they're gonna,
Yeah, I think
Guys, I'm officially 25. What can I say? Oh, look, it posted up. What can I say? I'm 25. Oh.